This bike was built for long walks and tough terrain. The F850 GS Adventure is the best home in the world, and it stands out. With standard equipment such as a TFT display and BMW Motorrad connected USB charging port as well as ABS Pro and DTC, this dual sport bike is prepared for a long tour around the world. Experience Burrito FGS with a companion that sets your curiosity free wherever your journey takes you. Ready for a journey into the unknown, on asphalt or off-road, the F850 GS Adventure tackles almost any surface. New standard features and extensive optional equipment give you the opportunity to customize this GS to your liking. This GS is ready for any terrain you want to cross. Standard engine guard bars make it sturdy without limiting your freedom of riding. If you are planning a longer trip, simply increase your storage space using the aluminum case provided. The power for every off-road challenge. This bike wants to be known the world over. The powerful parallel twin engine with 90 horsepower gives you and your thirst for precise driving discovery. The engine will impress you with its powerful sound. Powerful 90 horsepower performance at 250 revolutions per minute and smooth running. With 63 pounds-ft of torque at 250 revolutions per minute. This dual sport bike has enough power for most off-road challenges, wherever you want to take it. Machine type: water-cooled 4-stroke inline 2-cylinder engine, 4 valves per cylinder, 2 overhead camshafts, dry sump lubrication. Hole X-stroke, 84mm x 77mm, 853cc capacity. Rated output 90 horsepower at 8 revolutions per minute. Max, 63 pounds-ft of torque at 250 revolutions per minute. Compression ratio 12:7:1. Mixture control, engine management, electronic fuel injection, emission control, closed-loop 3-way catalytic converter. Performance, fuel consumption, maximum speed 122 miles per hour. Premium unleaded fuel type. Electrical system, 3-phase 416W generator alternator, 12V divided by 10Ah battery. Transmission power, clutch multi-plate wet clutch, mechanically operated. Gearbox 6-speed constant mesh gearbox with straight cut gears. Driving chain drive. Chassis, brakes, frame tubular steel space frame. Load-bearing machine. Front wheel location, suspension inverted telescopic fork, 43mm. Rear wheel location, suspension cast aluminum 2-sided swing arm, WAD support, hydraulically adjustable preload spring and hand wheel, adjustable rebound damping. Front, rear suspension travel 9.1 divided by 8.5 230mm divided by 215mm. Wheelbase 62.7 1593mm, 4.9 125mm casters. Steering head angle 62 deck. Wire spoke wheel. Rim, front 2, 15x201. Rims, rear 4, 25 zone 7. Tires, front 90/90 2154V. Tires, rear 150/70 1769V. Brakes, front dual floating disc brakes, dual piston floating calipers, 12.0 in diameter. Brakes, rear single disc brake, 10.4 265mm diameter, single piston floating caliper. BMW Motorrad ABS apps can be turned off. Dimensions, weight, length 90.6 2300mm, width includes mirror 37.0 939mm, height 56.61 437mm, seat height, unloaded weight standard seat 34.4, inner leg curve, unloaded weight standard seat 76.8, weight without payload, ready to go. Full fuel 538 pounds 244 kilograms. Permitted total weight 1,003 pounds 455 kilograms. Payload with standard equipment 465 pounds 211 kilograms. Usable tank volume 6.1 gallons 23 liters. Stores approx. 0.9 gal 3.5 liters. With all operating fluids, with standard equipment and refilled with mint. 90% of usable fuel tank capacity.